Hello there. Hold on. It's a little bit zoomed in. The newest toy. Let's give it a shot. What is this magic? You can see everything. You can see the whole world right now. That's a wide lens, ladies and gentlemen. But we are now in London, so I made some plans. We have 4 things we need to do. Numero uno. Numero uno. We need to find a turtle. We need to find a turtle necklace. I had one before. You can see it in the old episode. It's dead. I broke the head off of it accidentally. Numero dos. We're gonna throw a house party. More on that later. I don't know how else to say it. We're gonna throw a house party. Numero tres. We need to join Andy's tour. Numero cuatro. We're gonna go find the best food, the sexiest food, the healthy... No, not the healthy. Best tasting food in London. So we're gonna try out a few places. Those are the 4 goals of the London trip. But first, I have to introduce you to my friends, because last episode you saw my pets. Now you're gonna see my friends instead, so let's have a look at who they are.
First off, he is a man of many names, but we call him Andy. However, he is also known as Bubble Ranger. However, I call him Bubble Man, Bubble Butt, Bubble Boy, Yellow Man, Yellow Ranger, and Yellow Bubble. He's also our host for this trip, naturally and genetically skilled Asian tour guide, professional Snapchatter, seriously nobody Snapchats more, and best spontaneous dance moves dancer I've ever seen. Next up, his name is William, but I like to call him Mr.Prütz or Prützen. He is the chicken master chef, the happiest Swedish meatball I know, ultimate travel buddy, and a fellow camera nerd. With the London crew introduced and Andy's touring instincts now itching, it was time to hit the road. So prepare yourselves for Andy's tour.
This is the London Eye. This is Big Ben. This is Westminster Abbey. This is Chinatown. This is Les Miserables. Yeah. This is the Shard. This is Borough Market. This is Greenwich Market.
No, but seriously, we did go on a tour. And here's what happened. Andy took us to all kinds of markets. They sold food like pastries, paellas, German food, Thai food, and more. Then there were all the trinkets. So many trinkets. We jumped back into the train for the tour to continue. We saw this guy and some of London's more famous landmarks. And then my face had sex with strawberry chocolate. And then we got lost for a bit.
Andy's gonna get us killed. He has no idea where he's going.
Although Andy insists we weren't lost.
Oh, Flatiron Square. Oh no, trust me.
Eventually we made it to the final destination, Chinatown.
Follow the Asian to Chinatown!
Follow the Asian to Chinatown! Let's go!
So what about the turtle necklace? Well,
If we're gonna find this goddamn turtle, it's gonna be in here. So, let's have a look.
we thought we would find something in Greenwich Market. We checked every shop, and what we found was a lot of random stuff. And I mean a lot. However, we had to give up. We couldn't find it.
We've been looking everywhere for this goddamn turtle. Couldn't find it. There's no turtle in town.
Luckily, I know this really cool thing. It'll be the solution to all my problems. It's called Amazon. You can buy anything in here. You can probably buy children in here if you look long enough. Bam! Done. Turtle secured. Now hungry after walking around all day, we set out to find the best restaurant in all of London. And this is pretty much a short version of what happened.
We found a bubble waffle. Andy, what's bubble waffle?
It is this thing, which is like...
Let's try that.
Ironically, nothing was English about this restaurant. But it didn't matter because we both loved the food and we could call it mission success.
Perfect.
And that leads us to the final task, to help Andy host a party. So we set out to prepare the house with beer pong, snacks, and everything else that you need for a party. And then it began. What was supposed to be a party turned out to become an all-out beer pong tournament. And then just as fast as it started, it was over.
I lost my voice, guys.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and if you haven't already, check out the previous episode, which can be found right here on YouTube. Until next time, take care.